Good evening. I got a couple clicks and I'll be over to my charts. We're going to talk about the dollar tonight, this evening. We're going to talk about gold and silver. We're going to talk about a possible BTC super bear. What else are we going to talk about? We're going to start with the DXY. I'm going to start showing you this chart. You're going to see it over and over and over. If you find this video and this channel, I am your gunslinger. It's Gator Monday. There'll be a drop on Monday night. There'll be a drop on Thursday night. Please go sub and a like of the video. We're going to talk about BTC and where it's going. We're going to talk about silver and where it's going. We're going to talk about gold. I'll show you some trades, shorts, long. We're going to talk about a potential alt season. And I'm going to keep coming back to you over and over with short videos and long form videos, two a week. I have a Telegram channel if you're interested, and I have a YouTube and I have a TikTok. And I'm going to go straight into what we're looking at here. A DXY move to 80, and where's the money at? Where is the money if the DXY is going to get weak and go, did I say 80? Yeah, 80, and potentially lower? What will it moon? What will a weak dollar moon? Will it always moon the same things, or does it depend on where on the chart it is? And how much do you know about metals? Gold and silver mainly, but I do palladium, copper, and the rest of them. How much do you know about alts and the alt season and the dead alt season? We've got a lot of DeFi hacks. We got a lot of AI stuff going on. I could go into a lot of subjects here, but we're going to do DXY first. And I want you to remember you're watching this video. So because I brought you here from the shorts, you're on this YouTube now. You're going to sub, you're going to like, and you're going to be interested in the Telegram private, more engaged channels. I'm going to talk about alt sometimes. Some of y'all aren't going to like that. It's okay. I'm going to talk about BTC sometimes. Some of y'all aren't going to like that. It's okay. I'm going to talk about silver and a bear, and some of y'all aren't going to like that, but it's okay. And I'm going to talk about gold and a bear, and some of y'all aren't going to like that, but it's okay. It's okay. So main call here is dollars going weak, but you got to be careful because we're in a situation, geopolitical, World War III, Trump, and the potential of a short squeeze straight up, a bidding of the dollar is still on the table. And the big thing with the dollar here and this dollar chart is, as I'm going to scoot down to the other major assets. Now, remember, I've only got 6 minutes to get you to sub and like, and I'll work on longer and longer videos where I can slow down and not go so daggone fast because I prefer not to. I do 3 live hours a week. Reach out if you're interested. Dollar potentially back up to 100 because of the close of the gap. The VIX has the same gap. Oil's been gapping. I've been covering oil a lot. So there's plenty of shorts over there for you to look at. I probably won't get into the oil this round on this video, but a move back up is probably baked into this because gaps normally get closed. As a roll down, we're going to go to BTC real quick. I get going too fast because I'm trying to get everything in a certain amount of time, and then it just really messes me up. So longer videos coming. Monday, Thursday drop. Gator Monday, what we're gonna call Thursday, going into the weekend with the Gunslinger. There's your BTC. Any of you guys interested in BTC? If we hold 74, most likely we're going higher now. We're going to see 87. I've been calling this around 67, 69, 71, and we're starting to be more bullish. There was a little bit of a dip up under, a little bit concerning. Got the shorts really excited because there's a lot of bears out there, and we've held up over this green moving average. And we're most likely going to be making our way to 87. I expect they'll probably break that pretty clean. There'll be a lot of people shorting here. I still feel like are we looking at a super bear? A super bear is what I call it. And let's see if I got a proper chart for the super bear. Well, first we'll go to 95, and then what I feel like is going to happen is most likely, especially if they get up in 100 and they hold it and they turn the narrative real strong, there's a potential of a move to 150, and then the bear comes and we go lower than most people say 30. It could go even lower. A lot of people come and say it can never go that low. You've been saying that for a decade, man. Just like you got everybody most likely a little too bearish here. Geopolitical fighting away, pumpity pump pump. It's crypto. Let's see what happens around this 95 area. BTC. I could throw Ethereum in, but nobody will watch it. A lot of meme coins are going boom, boom, boom on Ethereum over there as Solana and the NFT kids are starting to cheer, and the DeFi starts to go down the drain because of a lot of hacking. I see a 10% as I roll down the board. Majors. We're going to go to silver and gold, silver and gold. And the interesting thing about silver is it's got a path. There's two paths on silver. Let's see if I can get down here quick enough. And we'll have the VIX down here as well. Oil will be down here. I see super plus 20%, so that's decent. A lot of speculative money. Add AI to the back end of your stock, and it goes boom to the boom boom. It used to do that, or it has done that in ways with the crypto and the alt season or no alt season, Trump cycle, 4 year cycle. What else I want to do? I want to get to the next charts I'm after. You can see oil up about 2%. Been calling these shorts ever since we popped. It was a long going into the war that really paid. And we'll stop right here at silver because the silver crew has gotten pretty daggone bullish right here. And if it breaks and takes off, sure, you're going to be looking at about 96. There's a target up here about 109 that has order book issues. I'm not really in the camp. That's what they're going to do. It's a trade. And even if they go to 109, I still say they need to go down to 40 and 50. Real clean call right there. On silver, here's your clean call. On oil, you may get, I mean, on gold, you may get one more pump up. It's called a square up. It may already have turned. You potentially could be trading this already, but I look for much bigger moves. And I think in the end, you're going to see gold go visit 3,000. And you should just automatically go back to my DXY and say, Scott, Gunslinger, you just said the dollar was going to go to 80. How in the hell is silver and gold going to go lower? Well, what was going on when they went so high? That's the first thing. There's a thing called a depegging, and it happens with the DXY. The DXY is a combination of all the fiats in the world. When the DXY goes down, where's the money at? And the euro goes to mooning, the pound goes to mooning, the Australian dollar goes to mooning, the New Zealand dollar goes to mooning. And if you study that DXY chart, you're in an area where alt season tends to go to mooning, but it's dead. Everybody says dead. Alt season dead. It's all dead. It ends up to 8%. So green, 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 green on the alts. You can see a lot of alts on my board. I got some stocks down here that they've been adding AI to the end that I've been absolutely blasting. And then there's some crypto that went like 3, 4, 5, 6,000%, and then they gave it all back. That is pretty normal with all that. Let's see if I can pick up the VIX real fast. And I'm about to wrap this up one more time. This is why you're here. This is what I do. There's a Telegram available for the public and more private engaged and more private with me in my 3 hours of live room that I do. I've been doing this for 10 years. I like to look at all the markets. I do very good calls on all the markets. I've done years of study on alts and alt season and all that situations, and we're looking for that to spring up. Most people are way too bearish on crypto as far as I'm concerned and have given up. Most folks are way too bullish on oil, and the move is down to 70. And if you'll just roll through my shorts, you'll understand I've been calling that the entire time. And I think I'm going to wrap up the video. I was thinking about what we'll do is we'll roll back up. I get to going too fast. I like to stop at a chart and work on it in my live rooms, and I will. But in this video, I feel they make me feel like I need to get so much into it out there to you. Bitcoin to 1 million, silver to 1,000. I said it at the end of the video. Sub and like, and I'm not trying to push you so hard, but this is the video that'll sit there. And now I get to work on the longer format videos and get more out there to you and a little bit smoother and start to hit subjects. There'll be a video that comes right behind this one as well that should be a little bit more relaxed, and I'll go straight to stuff. I'll leave you tonight with them, and I ain't gonna go looking for anything else. That way I can kind of cool down because I've used up my minutes. Litecoin, good risk to reward. That it's gonna pump to 100. Will it do a bull? It's one of the main coins like Ethereum. If we're gonna have a bull and we're gonna go into the risk alley with the dollar, you would think privacy and that narrative that come through that was pretty daggone strong, with an AI narrative, potentially something else. It looked like it was going to be DeFi, and then everything got hacked because what Morpheus has been released on everybody. The AI disruption, the BTC quantum risk, the cryptos and the alts, thousands of them, the Ethereum meme coin pumps. Do you know what's going on right now? It's very important, and that's what the purpose and that's what these videos are for, to catch you up, get you in line, and show you where the money's at. Do you know where the money's at? The money's at a weak dollar. I'm gonna keep on rolling up. What's GameStop doing? GameStop a little bit up. That's gonna end up being a short. You guys, I'm running out of time because I probably already went over Ethereum about 3%. So there's a war going on, and crypto says, "What war? Whoa, risk on, risk on. Is it a trap? Is it a bull trap? Because that's what everybody thinks. The whole entire BTC move is a bull trap. And I'm here to say I can't find the chart I'm looking for because I'm talking and I'm running out of time and all that stuff. And I hope that you enjoyed this YouTube video. I'll get better at them. I used to do lots and lots of YouTube videos for about 10 years. The YouTube's been taken out. I wanted to start over. I wanted to start fresh. You're going to get probably sick of seeing this, but this is where the money's at. And if you roll back, that's the last time the two alt seasons happened. It may not happen again, but that's what the majority of people, if you're interested in these videos for the crypto part, are looking to see. If it's the silver part, I have plenty of silver and metal videos. I like them all. Stocks will come through once I get it going. And Forex is one of my passions. I will see you in the next video. Welcome to my YouTube. Remember, turn on the notifications. And if you see the notifications and you get a chance, comment as fast as you can. It helps me out. And come over and chat. And we'll see if you're interested in any of the other stuff I mentioned. And I'll end it here with what I was supposed to do. There is your YouTube, and I have to leave it there for about 30 seconds. 30 seconds of YouTube, some shorts there for you, lots of them. I've been cleaning up. I'm going to create some playlists right here, and I'm going to continue with this. These are the first ones. Believe me, I have hundreds and hundreds of videos I could share, but the YouTube's only going to hold so much, and I have to do it a certain way to make it work. And I'm out of time, and I know it. You guys have a wonderful afternoon, and I got one more video coming for you for the Gator Monday macro, something name that's coming up for you.